Welcome to the Inventor 2015 Fundamentals course of Render. With it we will learn the main commands of the 2015 version of Inventor, which are indispensable for professional use of the software. In addition, we will learn about some news in this new version of the program. In this first class, we will see how the course is organized, and what will be the topics covered in the next classes. With the distribution in 7 modules, we will see from the basic use of the software, understanding about its interface, navigation, creation of 2D models and creation of 3D objects, to the assembly of several pieces with the assembly, and finally, we will see about the creation of projects in technical design formats. For this, in the first module, we will understand the use of the Inventor interface, about how menus and tools are arranged, about how to use the home screen, about how to open, create and save projects. We will see how to configure the default of the files and measures to later learn how to navigate, either by the mouse, by the view cube or by the full navigation wheel. After that, in the second module, we will learn how to create sketches, or sketches, in the part environment, which is a fundamental knowledge to be able to develop 3D objects. We'll look at how to apply restrictions to drawings, how to scale and work with shapes. In the third module, we will understand how to move, create rectangular and circular copies, how to scale, lengthen and how to create mirror shapes. In the fourth module, from the 2D sketches, we will begin to develop the forms. For this, we will see commands such as extrusion, revolution, spiral profile, and others. In addition to the creation of 3D sketches and recordings in high and low relief. In the fifth module, we will make modifications to our solids. We will learn how to use holes and reclosures, fillets and chamfers, visual cuts in our models. And finally, we will see the new freeform, which enables free 3D modeling. In the sixth module, we will cover the creation of assemblies in the assembly environment. It is in this module that we will learn how to apply components together, and then apply restrictions to them. We will also see about the use of the archive library that Inventor has. And to finish the course, in the seventh module, we will learn about the application of our creations on a technical drawing sheet, with the drawing environment. To do this, we will create our own legend and see how to apply views, cuts, and information to our projects. With this, we will have a good understanding of the general use of the software. And we will be able to develop several projects for various applications, in a professional way. Let's start the course. Render, the one who knows, teaches.